Hello everyone, my name is Salman and I am an engineer, graduated in 2019. The interview experience was good as the first round was HR round where HR asked me some basic question about myself and the technologies I know. The job description was React.js, so it mostly asks about the front end part. And then the first technical round, the interview asked me about the React.js and basic React.js and basic of Redux. So I cleared that also. And then the second technical round was more detail about the explanation of the React.js, why we use, where we use some basic question and with Redux and some coding part. So in today's scenario, companies are hiring more experienced developer. So it's quite difficult for a fresher to find a job. So you should keep trying and more detail in explanation while giving interview. And you should know the basics of your technology you are giving, the job description you are giving for, and then you will hit one interview. For the platform searching job, you should apply everywhere like LinkedIn, Hiris, AngelList, Cutshot, everywhere. So you should keep trying. There is not a specific site you will get a job. So I got a job from LinkedIn. So you should keep trying everywhere. So about the topic, I've given some interviews. Like it's totally depend on the basic of your technology you already know. So you should able to explain the basic of your technology, like how we use, where we use, and how to use that part, and then you can go to moderate. But you should always know about the technology very well. Whether it's the front end or a back end, React.js or Node.js, it doesn't depend. You should always know the basic. Yes, Ateneo did help me to enhance my knowledge in coding part. Like I already know some basic of C and Python, but Ateneo did help to ex- enhance my knowledge by going more specific in front end and back end and DSL Go. So it's really helpful for me to be in a directive path. So the curriculum is quite interesting as it covers many topics like front end, HTML, CSS, React.js, Redux, and for backend Node.js and databases MongoDB, PostgreSQL. So curriculum is quite well, and you get assignment CC on daily basis or weekly basis, and on monthly basis there are monthly tests, and there are mainly two projects that very helpful to learn new technologies and practice the technology you already know. So if someone is looking for a job, you should keep trying. And after giving some interviews, you already know that where is your leak, where is the gap in the understanding of your technology. So you should always be prepared before giving interview. You should learn. You should prepare from YouTube some documentation. So be prepared before giving interview, and you will definitely will land a quite decent job.